Look at this egg Foo-Young and fried rice that I cooked for dinner. Parang restaurant food, di ba? Maulan kasi kaya hindi ako nakapag-restock ng meat sa freezer. Buti na lang I have lots of Purefoods Chinese-Style Luncheon Meat na paborito ng kids dahil masarap. Perfect na substitute because of its meatier taste. I cut into big cubes and fry until golden brown para lumabas yung delicious taste. I prefer this Purefoods Chinese-Style Luncheon Meat for my family kasi gawa ng reputable brand kaya siguradong high quality. It's safe and delicious. Gawang Pinoy pa. For the fried rice, sinalo ko lang lahat ng meron pa ako sa ref like carrots and green peas, then leftover rice. Then I put half of the fried luncheon meat, seasoned with salt and pepper, then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix well until magpantay yung color, then finish off with spring onions. Isa sa mga favorite dishes ng kids ko ang egg Foo-Young. I like it kasi very flexible. Kahit anong meats and vegetables na meron ka, pwede mong ihalo. Bagay na bagay dito yung luncheon meat. Egg Foo-Young is supposed to be parang pancake-like stacked together. But this method is easier and quicker for me and same lang din naman yung lasa. Ang bilis lang, no? Now, let's make the sauce for the egg Foo-Young. I'll just put all the ingredients sa description box para sa mga gustong mag-follow. Thicken the sauce with slurry until ma-reach natin yung desired thickness. Turn off the heat, then finish off with sesame oil for added aroma. Ang saya ko lang kasi easy to prepare ang egg Foo-Young and fried rice with Purefoods Chinese-Style Luncheon Meat. It's our family's favorite kasi malinamnam talaga siya. And very flexible kasi pwede ka mag-create ng sarili mong dish if sawa ka na sa prito lang. Taste test time! No joke, you have to try this recipe kasi mas pinasarap siya ng luncheon meat. Or better yet, create your own recipe using Purefoods Chinese-Style Luncheon Meat kasi super dali lang niya i-prepare, diba?